What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vloggy vlog.
We trust our minds when they're telling lies. Can you see what I'm not saying through my eyes? All I know is love.
Ooh. So, okay, yeah, I'm jumping around because I'm in the car on the highway on my way to Tampa. You guys, this is going to be a work vlog, okay? This is going to be a catering event prep vlog, okay? I'm on my way to Tampa to go to Restaurant Depot, Chetro. I have a 3-day shoot next week. Today is Friday. Monday is Labor Day, which means I literally only have like 2 or 3 days to prep for this. So today is not going to be no cute vlog. I don't have no makeup on. My beard is out. Show it. Like, we raw and real. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I do to prep for events. I'm going to take you along with me. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay? When I'm along the way, I'll give you some tips and tricks, some stuff that I do. I know you guys want me to sit down and do a dedicated catering video, which I will do. As a matter of fact, in this video right here, leave me some questions that you would want me to answer in that dedicated catering video. Alright, so we're heading to Tampa, going to Restaurant Depot. We have a 3-day shoot. I'm starting to prep for it. Let's go. Oh, and Papa. Hello, Papa.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Jake.
And the doggy dog, Brooklyn. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we have a babysitter for Brooklyn, so we're doing the fence method. We're going to fence her in a certain dedicated area of our house. That's what we're gonna do because we do not believe in cages. I'll show you that when we do it. What happened?
I believe in cages.
I don't believe in cages. I'm not putting my dog in a cage. What is wrong with you?
She need a cage.
She don't need a cage. Listen, our house is big enough that we can section off a whole area where she can free roam, play, put pads down. She gets the bathroom. She'll have her food there, and it's spaced out, and she'll be good. Okay, I don't like cages. Anyway.
No more cages.
No more cages. I mean, if that is your only option, if you're doing it humanely, you know, that's on you. I just don't like it, alright? So, let's go prep for this event, alright? It's last minute. For me, this is last minute. I literally have 3 days to prepare, okay? And it's 3-day shoot. They're doing breakfast, lunch, and craft services for in-between meals. So, this is going to be a lot, alright? I'm going to show you as much as I can show you while I'm working. And I'm going to do what I can do, okay? Just follow along.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love.
Alright, you guys, so we're pulling into Restaurant Depot now. Alright, so Restaurant Depot is a store. It's like a warehouse restaurant supply store. This is where restaurants and like stores and other food service places shop for their food. The food and stuff here is extremely cheap. This is a membership service like Costco, except for you don't have to pay a membership fee every year. But you do have to own a business, have all your paperwork together. It's not open to the public. You have to have a business, your business license. You have to have all the credentials in order to shop here. And you have to pay cash, credit, or debit. You can't use food stamps or nothing like that. Of course, if you're selling food, you can't use food stamps to buy the food or whatever. Alright, so that's that. I'm about to run in here and get some stuff. We're parking. Alright, y'all, let's roll. Alright, so first off, this is the kind of carts you use. It's like everyone I get the wheel
I
is
know,
messed
mine,
up.
that was pulling to the right and it was heavy as hell. I loaded it down and just keeps running into the right.
Thank you. So we're walking in. When you come in, you gotta scan your card. Here is my card. It has my business name on the back. See, I've been a member for a long time. Scan your card. Alright. Now let's shop. So they have everything in huge quantities. So this is the first aisle I'm gonna go to because I need some salad dressing packs. See how it looks? But I need mayonnaise too. But I'm not gonna do chef quality. My client paid $1,000. I'm not gonna hit them with the generic mayo. I'm gonna get some Hellmann's or something. If you have the budget, spend the money on better quality things. But if your budget is low, of course get this. So let's see Hellmann's. Need some Hellmann's mayonnaise packs. Alright, so I walk past this. I definitely need some coffee creamer. Individual for COVID. Can't have them touching the containers pouring creamer. So I gotta get individual. So that's the first thing in my cart. Don't mind it's a little wet. Of course, take it out the box. It's raining outside. I'm gonna get another flavor just to mix it up some. I'll get a hazelnut. And just for a variety, I'll get a French vanilla one. You want them to have options, okay? So that's it. That's 3. I definitely need some coffee. I prefer Cafe Bustelo. I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Make sure the coffee is good, okay? If you skimp out on anything, don't skimp out on the coffee. Make it nice and strong. All right, so I found the Hellmann's mayonnaise pack. This is $26 for this big case. All right, we're gonna go pick this up. All right, so I found the salad dressing. We're gonna go with this Ken salad dressing. I'm gonna get the Italian. Okay. Or should I do Caesar? No, I'm gonna do Italian dressing. So they have everything here, as you can see. Look, syrup, peanut butter, jelly, everything. I am doing some individual size cereal for breakfast, so I'm gonna grab some of these. Fruit Loops, some Cheerios, maybe a couple more. Alright, so I see the sugar. I'm gonna get this big thing of Domino sugar for $12. Huge, right? The Splenda's a little high. I'm gonna get the Splenda from Walmart. But this is what we're working with so far. They have everything in here. I got what I needed for this first trip. I probably am gonna come back closer to the event and get meat. But for right now, this is a good start. Look at all these huge things of Mexican spices. If that's what you're making, huge bags. Look at that. This one even has liquor. You need a liquor license to buy that. And here is the checkout. So she's gonna swipe my membership card, then I swipe my credit card. That freezer right there up front is where they keep the lobster tails and the crab meat. Oh, hi. Sorry. Bring my card closer. And then she's just gonna scan everything. And then everything pops up there. And for all that stuff, my balance is $106.88. And it's a double checkout system like Costco. Right here by the door, she's gonna check my receipt and count how many boxes I have. Hi. Thank you. Y'all, it is pouring out here. We was on our way to the meat market, but when we got there, the meat market was closed. But that's okay. It's Friday. I can always go tomorrow. I can come back. I'm like half an hour from Tampa, so I can always come back tomorrow. But yeah, it is pouring. We're on our way to go get tacos, if they're even still open, because it's a taco truck. We haven't eaten today. We're hungry. Let's go by there. I don't even know if they're gonna be open, honestly, because it's pouring. So I just wanted like 2 tacos because I'm about to go home and cook dinner, but I'm like really hungry right now. So let's see what happens. Ooh, that big old puddle. There's still a bunch of people out here. So
Tacos.
they're so good. They got some bomb tacos here, y'all. Their quesadillas are good. My sister been getting fries from here. They got the birria tacos. They're good. My favorite is their al pastor tacos. They got horchata, all kind of stuff. So I just made my order. They didn't have any more al pastor, so I got steak. And it just started pouring. Whoa. We like under this tarp. Edward! It is pouring. Alright, y'all, so I got my tacos. I got 3 steak tacos for $8. Didn't have my apple store. I wanted it, but it's getting kind of late. As you can see, it's like 7 o'clock. I'm gonna have to cook dinner tonight, so I'm about to eat this real quick and then go home and cook. It's so flooded everywhere out here, yo. Yeah, I love their green salsa. Ronnie, what you gonna eat? Ronnie wants Popeyes, but I'm still cooking dinner, right? So I love their green salsa, so good. Bomb. So good. And you guys, these are the little mini street taco size. They're tiny, okay? That's why I'm still eating this and still gonna cook. Not that I gotta explain myself. I'm just saying. So good. Yeah, I totally forgot I was recording today. I just made a homemade beef and broccoli for dinner. I did record it. That video will be out soon. Okay, you guys, so here is my beef and broccoli. Nice, beautiful gravy, tender beef, my nice fluffy rice, nice al dente broccoli. Look at that, y'all.
Don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming